Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Remitly on iPhone. For that, make sure you get the Remitly application from your App Store. Now, after getting the application, you can simply hop in the app. You can now see two options, create a new profile or I already have a profile. As we already have our account, we will simply tap on I already have a profile option. But in case if you don't have your account, you can tap on create a new profile and they will be guiding you for the further steps to open your account on Remitly. You will be now guided to this page where you need to enter your email address and your password, or you can also sign up with your Google or your Apple account. For this video, we will simply enter our email address and password. Firstly, enter your email address. After you are done entering your email address, enter your password. In case if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on the option Forgot Password and they will be guiding you further to get your account back. After you are done entering your credential, you can simply tap on Login. You may also get a confirmation mail in your mailbox, so make sure to check it. Now you can see that you are logged into your Remitly account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.